Two choices on a wheel.
Oh, right.
Bang.
What is that, 3?
That's all right. That's all right. There's a wheel. You get 2 options on this wheel, dude. 2 options. 1 and 4. It looks like 1. Bam. We're going to 1. We're going to 1. It's happening. 1 or 2. Which one you want? 2. Got it. Got it. Bang. Let's go. 1 autograph left. This is the third pack that's left. There's 2 after this. That's it. Bam. Rhea Ripley on a base. Sonya Deville on a base. And Dakota Kai on an orange flake. And bam, there it is. Thea Hale autograph. 4th autograph retrieved. 4th autograph retrieved. Thea Hale. Damn it, you did it. Bang, got her. Thea Hale autograph. That was Mick.
Yep.